This video tutorial is about the various laws and licenses that affect travel agents, and I'm Joni Ogg. Many people are surprised to learn that there is no federal or standardized license for travel agents. This is because since its inception until the Airline Deregulation Act, travel agents were closely controlled by various governmental agencies, such as the Air Traffic Conference and the International Airline Transport Association. Since deregulation, some states have enacted legislation to control the sale of travel to protect consumers. We will explore the various laws that impact travel agents throughout the United States. Business licenses are common in every state and something you need to consider before starting your business. It is quite possible that your community, county, or state may require you to obtain and maintain a business license in order to sell travel. Contact your local city hall or county authority to find out if you need to obtain a business license in order to open your agency. In addition to a business license, many states have enacted laws that govern travel agents. So let's take a look at which states do and what you must do to comply. First comes the state of California. California uses a state restitution fund as a consumer protection device. It enables consumers to file claims for damages caused by travel business failures. Each travel agent in California is required to join the fund as a prerequisite to becoming registered as a seller of travel. Currently, each new agent must contribute $330 and also contribute annual assessments to replenish the fund should it be drawn down by consumers. Once a member of the fund, each travel agent must register with the Attorney General's office as a registered seller of travel and will be given a CST, or California Seller of Travel number, that must appear in all consumer correspondence, including advertising. The annual cost to maintain CST registration is $100. Travel agents must use a trust account in which to hold their client funds. Delaware requires travel agents to obtain a travel agent occupational license at an annual cost of $225. Florida requires a travel agent to register for an annual fee of $300, and the agent must also post a bond or letter of credit as well. In Hawaii, sellers of travel must obtain a travel agent license at a cost of $140 every 2 years. In addition, they must use a travel trust account in a federally insured bank within the state of Hawaii. Travel agents located outside of Hawaii but selling to Hawaii residents must obtain a certificate of authority to do business in Hawaii before selling travel within the state. The annual cost for the certificate is $25. While Illinois does not register travel agents, they do have the Travel Promotion Consumer Protection Act that travel agents must comply with. Trust accounts are also required to hold consumer funds. Iowa requires agents to register with the state AG's office at an annual cost of $15. Iowa also requires one to post a $10,000 bond, letter of credit, or cash deposit. Louisiana requires agents to obtain a professional occupation license, and the fee is based on the amount of revenue you do in Louisiana. While Massachusetts does not have any license or registration laws, an agent must comply with the state's sale of travel law, which has stringent standards of consumer protection. Nevada's seller of travel law is currently suspended, but may be reinstituted at any time. Be sure to check with the state before you start your operation for its current status. Rhode Island requires agents to obtain a travel agent license at an annual cost of $125 and also to post a $10,000 bond or letter of credit. The state of Washington requires agents to register as a seller of travel at an annual cost of $202 plus an additional $20 processing fee. Also, sellers of travel must hold client funds in a trust account in a federally insured bank located in Washington, or post a bond or letter of credit between $10,000 to $50,000, depending on the agency's sales volume. For more detailed information and links to each law and contact information, visit www.homebasedtravelagent.com. Click on How to Start Your Travel Agency. Then click on Comply with State Seller of Travel Laws and Licenses, and then click on the state that you are looking for detailed information on. Follow the links to the law and use the contact information to comply. So let's recap. There's no federal licensing of travel agents. Check with your community or county to see if you're required to have a business license. Comply with all state seller of travel laws and licensing requirements. If you found this video tutorial helpful, give us a like and share, and a Google+ one and share. And to find out when new videos are made available, subscribe to our youtube.com channel. Thanks for being with me today.